Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to steal seeds from the other players in Garden 2 game of Roblox Full Harvest Event Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, the Full Harvest Event Update has been released in Garden 2. And if you want to steal seeds from your friends or from the other players, you need to have this fox, the fox pet. If you want to get the fox, um, you just need to look for it around the map, and if you're lucky, you'll meet the fox. And if I'm not mistaken, it cost 1 million maple leaves. I don't really remember. And this is the ability of the fox. Sneak out at night to steal a seed from other players and brings it back to you. So basically, it can steal the seeds from the other player's inventory. So if they have rare seeds, of course, you'll be very lucky. And remember that this fox only works at night. So you need to wait until the nighttime to steal. But this is the best method to get unlimited seeds, guys. And you can do AFK, and the fox will give you multiple seeds from the other players. Okay guys, and that's how you can steal seeds from the other players in Garden 2 Game of Roblox Full Harvest Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!